Hey guys, so I'm in my fortress of solitude here. We have been working on stuff all morning. I'll show you a little more. We've got some American Changer boards we've been getting caught up on because we've been selling so many. And anyways, so the reason for this video is I ordered four 27X2s. Okay. This is one of mine. This is the only one I had left, and the reason I ordered these four, and I paid pretty close to retail for them, is I'm trying to help two customers out that have bought American Changer upgrade kits from us, and I just flat am having a hard time getting validators. So anyways, the four came in today, and I'm not going to name names here because that's not my style, but I want to show you that there is a big difference on people's work, i.e. my work, other work. There's a lot of good people out there. I deal with them on a daily basis, but sometimes somebody tries slipping something through on you, and I wouldn't really be upset, although I'm in a real time crunch. And but anyways, I'm going to get on with this. I'm going to reposition my camera on the bench here and show you some differences. So here's a couple that I took out first. And I don't believe anything was done to these. Okay, they were not in bags, no stickers on them. Now the other two were in bags, they had stickers on them. So here's what I saw first. Okay, see the dirt and the grime on there? Obviously not a very good cleaning job. And then this is a little hard to see on camera, but I'm going to take a Q-tip to these now and show you exactly what kind of cleaning you're getting for a discount rate. Okay, now keep in mind, this is really the good one of the two that were so bad. Let's just do this. Let's unplug it here. We're going to lay it down on something to kind of offset the color. And I'm going to spray a little of my cleaner. Whoops. You see that? That's what you're paying for, okay, from the other guy's rebuilt. Now this would be real easy to, you know, to hack this video and show you. See all the black specks on the rollers? Okay. That's not the bad one. This one here, once again, unmolested. This is the way I took it out of the box. I'm going to unplug this one to make it a little easier to see. I mean, we at least take the goo gone and, you know, get rid of the old stickers and stuff. So anyways, I guess that means it's been recycled or changed. So anyways, here's the worst of the two. We're going to take this apart completely. Look at the black on the rollers. I mean, they're on all of them. There's no way this thing was taken apart. Wasn't cleaned. Now I'm going to use the other end of the Q-tip. We're going to go back through these ridges. And it's a little bit worse than the other one. See the color? See the black stuff? There's no way this was cleaned. Alright, so you don't find that on ours. I'll show you one of mine, and I encourage anybody to pick my work apart, okay? See how those rollers are snow white? Everything else is clean and pretty much shiny. It's the way they should be rebuilt. Okay. But now let's go a little further into this lower transport assembly here. Now I have to take these apart because I need to rebuild these. Here's another. Look how black. Look how black. Anyways, I need to rebuild these before I send them out, so I will definitely be here late this evening. Alright, so take this apart. See how black those rollers are and all that grime? There's no way anybody rebuilt this unit. Okay, I'm going to take out the sensor board. See what we find under here. I don't know if you can, you probably can't see it on camera, but there's all kinds of residue. Maybe if I showed it to you up against a rag. There's all kinds of residue, even on the lens. And it's pretty hard to see. I can see it with the naked eye. But this thing should be cleaned. Now we're going to take out these last two rollers here. Only because, once again, I have to clean them anyways. So guys, the quality of other people's work, and this is not everybody, guys, this is just one example of something I got from a absolutely brand new source, which I obviously won't use. Now what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take apart the rest of this. We're going to take the stacker plate off and see what's under it. That's a place that collects dirt and dust. This really is not the point to buy something that you paid close to retail for, and now you're just dismantling the whole thing. But I want to do it to prove a point. Alright. Now we will get to the meat of where everything operates from. Alright, where I want to show you here, see, once again, I'm going to take these off, these rollers. I mean, they might be fine. I'm kind of curious if these are new belts at all, but let's see. If the belts, when I take them off, sit nice and round on my bench, they probably are new, but if they're oblong or have flat spots in them, most likely not. Alright. It's hard to say. These could be new belts. They may have changed them, but why would you think they wouldn't clean this thing? Yeah, this is horrible. This is horrible. We almost give them a pass on the belts. We can't really tell if they're brand new. Some belts have sort of a flat color to them, like a flat black, and others are shiny. So anyways, we see the grime. Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to take the stacker plate off and look under it. I would be very surprised if it was clean, because I'm seeing dirt and fuzz and everything here. Okay, I need to run this on my power supply so I can get the stacker in the up position. Take me a second to plug it in. Alright, I'm going to back it off so you kind of see what I'm doing here. We want to raise that plate with some power. I have a little test jig here. You use the white and black plug to run the stacker motor. Whoops. Alright, we want it in the up position. Just makes it easier to take this off and then clean it. Okay. This has not been cleaned. Let me get a fresh Q-tip. As you can see, brand new. This is not super dirty, but it is not freshly cleaned. Now we get into here. You see all the grime. These should be nice and shiny, and obviously they're not. There's even some leftover paint on them. We take our cleaner and a nice soft cloth and clean that. So anyways, I don't really have to go any further, guys. I'm actually not happy. I thought I was going to have a short day today, but as you see what we find in here, against my hand you can probably see all that grease and dirt and grime. But anyway, so the story is told. Whether you pay $100 for a job or $300, is the cheap job really the one that you want to, you know, is the one that you want to use? So, anyways, we will continue to do our good work, and I wanted to document the shape I got these in case the customer wants to make some adjustments. And once again, this customer shall remain unnamed. So guys, I hope you've learned something here. It's not always, once again, I'm going to say it for about the third time, you got to compare apples to apples and not apples to oranges. So guys, thank you all for your support. I have a lot of good customers out there, and we appreciate your patronage. Any comments for me, let me know. I try and read them all, and I try and answer them all. So for now, Doug at Doug's World Tour, Vending and Amusement Channel, and I am out.